Good morning, first graders. Remember, the first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Today we will be working on lessons 44 and 45. So if you want to write 44 over here, that'd be great. Oops, sorry about that. All right. Go ahead, pause the video if you need a little more time to finish your name and write the lesson. When you are ready, press play to begin. All right, the first spelling rule that we're going to be working on is that CK spelling rule. So if you remember, we see the CK at the end of words. Okay, we see the CK at the end of words. So your first word is going to be the word pick. P-ick. Pick. Okay, there's 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Pick. P-ick. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Number 2 is going to be the word neck. Watch my mouth. Neck. 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 3 sounds, 4 letters. Again, watch that vowel in that word neck. 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 Okay, pause the video if you need a little more time to finish the word pick, ick, and neck. Neck. Press play if you're ready to begin. All right. Our last word for the CK ending is going to be the word stick. 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 So let's double check that one. Stick. 4 sounds this time, but there'll be 5 letters. All right. Stick. Pause the video if you need to finish writing the word stick. Be careful about that vowel in there. Press play when you're ready to continue. All right, for this spelling pattern on this side, we're going to be working with the digraph SH. And if you remember, digraphs, first graders, are 2 letters that get put together but make a different sound. And the sh digraph, can be used at the beginning and at the end of words. So let's go ahead and start with our first word, ship. 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 Your word is ship. Ship. We have 3 sounds. Sh. But if you remember, we're doing that digraph, so it's 3 sounds, 4 letters. Ship. In fact, I think I'm going to do something a little different here for this. I'm going to go like this. Ship. Put that long line there to remind us that that's that digraph, that sh sound, and then our 2 other sounds. Ip. Ship. All right, our next one is going to be the word wish. 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 Again, remember that digraph, SH. Wish. All right, pause the video if you need a little more time to finish the word number 4, ship, and number 5, wish. All right, the final one for your spelling patterns is going to be the word brush. Brush. We have a consonant cluster at the beginning, so listen carefully. Brush. Brush. Okay, so remember that. Oopsies. There. So brush. There's a consonant cluster right here. sh, brush, brush, brush. All right, first graders, double check your work. The first one is supposed to be the word pick. Number 2 is neck. Number 3 is stick. Number 4 is ship. Number 5 is wish. And number 6 is brush. Before you move on, make sure you have the appropriate letter formation, that your letters are facing the right direction, that at least every one of your words has a vowel. Okay. And then if you think it looks good and it's ready to go ahead and continue listening. Otherwise, pause if you need a little more time. All right, we're going to do our heart words for today. So our first one is, I'm going to go ahead and get out some of those squares. Is the first one, the first word we have is the word goes, goes. So we have one, and we have this today. So I believe our heart word is probably going to look like this. Something along the lines of that. Goes. So goes. Okay. So far we have the first sound is following the rule and goes. And oopsies, sorry about that. And the last sound is following the rule and goes. But we have to remember something for our middle sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a clue here. So the word is goes. So there are 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there are 4 letters in the word goes. The ones that you need to work on are the ones in the middle. So goes, goes. I want you to think about the rule when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So what's our vowel sound we're hearing here? Goes. So it's going to be that long O sound. But what vowel is making it say that? That's the one you really need to remember. Goes, goes. Pause the video if you need a little more time. All right, number 2. So we're going to go across. The other ones we were going down, but now we're going to go across. Number 2, we have says. She says, go to bed. Mom says to go to bed. Says. Okay, again, this is a 4-letter word. So we have Okay, so here we have this vowel thing going on in here. Another wonky situation. So So the first sound and the last sound makes sense. It's 4 letters. And we have this funky vowel pattern going on in here. So what part of that did you need to remember this week? All right. So first one is goes. Second one is says. Pause the video if you need a little more time. Press play when you're ready to continue. All right, first graders. Our next one is the word she. She. So this one, I think it's going, if I can remember right, will be 2 hearts. Because we have a she. We have that digraph, which we just talked about, which will be great. E. So we actually have 3 letters, but 2 sounds. E. E. See if you can remember how to spell the word she. And then our last and final word for today is our heart word is going to be the word we. We has 2 letters. And it sounds just almost like it's spelled w-e. W-e. So this one isn't too tricky because it sounds just like it's spelled w-e. All right. So here we have goes. Remember that funky vowel, those 2 vowels. We can hear the first one. Which one's making it talk? Then we have says, which is kind of tricky. Hopefully you remember that vowel pattern in there. Then we have she and we. double check your work. Does it look right? All right, if you're ready to continue, keep on watching. If you need a little more time with our 4 words, please pause the video. All right, so our first sentence is going to be the what? Let's see what we have. So our first sentence is, I do not see your sock. So we have 6 words. I do not see your sock. I do not see your sock. So I is a heart word. I. Okay, let me put this one behind there. So I do not see your sock. I do not see your sock. Oopsie daisies. I do not see your sock. All right. So I do is another heart word. Not, you can sound out. See is a heart word. Your is a heart word. And sock. I do not see your sock. So I do not is a word you can sound out. Not, so n, ah, t. I do, oopsie daisies, I do not see your sock. And then we have sock, you can sound out. Okay. So I do not see your sock. Okay. And then just remember, first graders, that we actually have that CK ending at the end of the word sock. So I do not see your sock. And remember, you can spell the word your if you can spell the word you. I do not see your sock. All right. And our last, if you need a little more time, go ahead and pause the video. Remember, double check your sentence. Did it start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between your words? Are the letters facing the right directions? Do you have all the words? Reread this sentence to make sure it makes sense. I do not see your sock. Capital letter, finger, space, punctuation. Read it over so it makes sense. All right, for number 2, the sentence is going to be, did you shut the trash can? So we have 6 more words again. So I'm going to go ahead and bring those 6 down here. Okay. All right. And so 6 words. Did you shut the trash can? So did you shut the trash can? So this one, first graders, is, we have our did. We can do that. Did, we can sound out. So did. All right, use a heart word. So we have to do that. Did you shut the trash can? All right, shut we can sound out if we remember that diagraph. So I'm going to maybe make one of these squares a little longer so that we remember. Actually, maybe I'll just put the 2 really close together because we have that diagraph there for shut. Did you shut the trash can? So did you shut the trash can? So sh, t. Okay, heart, or the is a heart word. So did you shut the trash can? Did you shut the trash can? So here's the word the. Did you shut the? Oh, now we have the word trash can. So let's go ahead. We have trash, which is a consonant cluster. And I'm going to help you out with that one. Trash. Ash. So we have a couple sounds in here. Get that one more. So ash. So our digraph is actually at the end on this one. So t. So for trash, ash. So trash does not start with a J or a D. It starts with a T. T-R. Trash. And then can, you can also sound out. All right, so did you shut the trash can? All right, the tricky one in this is going to be the word trash. So trash. You got that consonant, that digraph at the end. Trash. Okay. Did you another digraph, shut the Did you shut the trash can? All right, first graders. So double check. Do you have all 6 words? Did you start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between your words? Is there punctuation at the end? Did you remember our spelling rules with the SH? Reread it to make sense. And listen one more time. Did you shut the trash can? That to me sounds like a question mark. But hopefully you've listened this far and maybe you'll get that little hint. Okay, thanks for your patience today. I know I had a lot of stuff going on. If you are done, put this in the I'm done pile. And if there's time, you may go ahead and play roll and read.